Hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are watching me from. Hello, everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ola. Just in case if you are seeing me for the very first time, for those of you that noticed, I was posting more of long form videos. Then at some point, I just had to, like stop and start repurposing those long form videos. This video is more for me to explain what really happened because I felt like maybe people didn't understand. You thought I've stopped posting. I didn't stop posting, okay? Like I said at the beginning of this challenge, I'm just the only person on this team for now, and it's not going to be easy. I have other things I'm doing by the side. I'm not saying my YouTube channel is not important, my YouTube channel is very, very important to me. But I realized that last 2 weeks was just very busy for me. So what I did, I was repurposing my long form videos, like the videos I already made. I will create them as shorts and post on my shop, on my shorts tab. But one of the YouTubers I follow here, whom I've reached out to personally, and wanted to do a collaboration with. So his response was I should grow more, then we can have the opportunity to have our collaborations. So one of the advice he gave is you should actually know the end goal of you coming here on YouTube. Okay, in one of his videos, all right. So he was saying if you're here on YouTube and you know that okay, you are the type who wants to create more of long form videos and make your money from long form videos, then don't mix it up, okay? If you're the type who wants to create shorts and shorts is your go-to, then go ahead and start creating shorts. If you're the type that you prefer live streaming, then just know you'll be binging on live streaming. Personally, like I used to say, I have two YouTube channels, and my first channel I sometimes live stream there, but I realize I'm not just too comfortable all the time. Not like there's something wrong with live streaming, sometimes you might not really have the chance to live stream, but there are days maybe in a weekend you can just bring out a whole day and shoot your videos and like batch create your videos and schedule them. So with the advice he gave on that video, I'm just rethinking. Okay, I know I put out a post here on my YouTube saying that days that I cannot meet up with long form videos, I will put out shorts. But I realized me putting out more of shorts is me, creating the wrong awareness to both my audience and the YouTube algorithm. Meaning, okay, if I'm putting out more shorts, I'm telling YouTube algorithm, hey, I'm a short content creator, so push more of my short content form kind of videos to get. So rather than make that kind of mistake, I think I'm gonna fall back to creating my long form videos. Remember, we are still on our 100 days challenge. I intentionally, for those of you that noticed, I don't know if you noticed, I intentionally did not repurpose any shorts yesterday being Sunday because I just want to leave that yesterday to breathe. Like let it be that I won't put out shorts for the meantime. But still know that okay, these long form videos, because I mean, let's be sincere, short is much more easier. It doesn't take much what's it called MB to put it out there. It's much more easier. I mean, I've already made long form videos, so here I am repurposing my long form into shorts, right? So yeah, so what I'm going to be doing is I will, by the mercies of God, try and put out long form videos, but it's not going to be so long. Like this one is going to be like maybe highest 4 minutes or 3 minutes plus, because I think recently shorts you can make a short of up to 3 minutes long. So for this one to count as a long form video, I'll try making them like 4 minutes. So more of the videos you get from me are like tutorials, editing apps and all of that. Then some motivation, encouragement, tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel. Some mistakes you need to avoid. Okay, like what I just said now. If you know you want to make your money with long form, and mind you, long form videos pay more compared to shorts and compared to live stream. Live streams, how you make much money with live streams are when your audience tip you. Okay, so I mean, it's not every day that people tip you, right? Even in real life, it's not every day that people tip you. So why don't you fall back on what you know that is more sustainable, right? People make money with shorts, and that is on the basis of if your shorts go viral. So rather than just depending on virality, why don't you like go for something that you know that will be stable at the long run? Okay, making your videos searchable, making them like evergreen, something that is searchable, of course, and in demand videos. Maybe there is any new update here on YouTube, you know, you create in demand videos, searchable videos, evergreen kind of content. And yeah, so I wanted to put this out there today, guys. And I apologize because left a friend and also one of my subscribers, she left a message and she was like, "You have stopped posting." So I just wanted to put it out here. I've not stopped posting. Okay, I was just repurposing my long form content. All right. So yeah, we're gonna come back to posting long form videos, and I'm sorry if maybe some of you felt bad about it because it is now that I really know the meaning of having subscribers, even if it's just one person that you have, it means a lot. So long as the person is showing up, so long as the person truly care that, oh, I like the fact you're putting out content here, so I'm here to encourage you. That one subscriber, that one viewer, that one comment you always get, it's something. So don't give up on this YouTube dream, on this YouTube journey, on this YouTube goal. And by the mercies of God, our channels are gonna get monetized. Yeah. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.